In the wine world, Pinot Noir is sometimes referred to as the Heartbreak grape because it's notoriously difficult to grow. The grape favors its birthplace of Burgundy, France, where for thousands of years winemakers have tamed the beast, so to speak. But in the New World, winemakers struggle to strike that perfect balance. Just a slight variation in soil, climate, sun exposure, and even the way you tend to the grapes can make or break you. So when you find a location that makes a great Pinot, it's a rare gift. Sonoma, California is close to the Pacific coast, and because of the moderate Mediterranean climate, makes it one of the US's premier regions for wine. That being said, even this region can be too warm for Pinot Noir. Within Sonoma, the fabled Goldilocks zone for Pinot Noir is actually closer to the coast. The Russian River meanders for 115 miles through the San Francisco Bay Area, flowing north to south through Mendocino and then into Sonoma. And it's the remaining 20-mile stretch that descends to the Pacific, where we find some of the US's finest cool climate vineyards. The roughly 150,000 acres of surrounding watershed makes some of the world's best Pinot Noir. Russian immigrants were the first to recognize that this area was perfect for growing fruit, in particular apples. They also planted the first grapes. But it was Western European immigrants that finally brought varieties like Chardonnay and, yes, Pinot Noir to the region. They realized that this cooler area was perfect for making light, refreshing wines, just like the ones that they used to drink back at home. The Russian River Valley is a curious mix of alpine and Mediterranean climates. You got cypress trees and pine forests following the river's path, but giving way to warm, dry, sunny hilltops above and around the valley. So winds come up from the Petaluma Gap, traveling along the river valley, bringing fog and cool air. And that's contrasted with these hot, dry days, and the result are these beautifully balanced Pinot Noirs. Some of California's biggest brands have property here, and oftentimes wineries will share single vineyard sites with each other to source their grapes. The Russian River Valley is well known for its single vineyard wines, much like Burgundy. Russian River wines are famous for their lush mouthfeel and their vibrant acidity. The Pinots are typically higher in alcohol than their French counterparts, bursting with fresh berries, roses, violets, and savory earth notes. So if Napa, California is akin to Bordeaux with its Cabernets and Merlots, then the Russian River Valley is decidedly Burgundian, making some of the greatest French-inspired Pinot Noirs in all of the United States. So if you haven't tried Russian River Pinot yet, I hope this video has you rushing out to get some. Get great wines like these and more at WTSO.com. And for more great quick sips and wine tips like these, be sure to subscribe to the WTSO YouTube channel. I'll see you for the next glass of wine. Cheers.